Alright, this video is going to show a problem where the Hansgrohe Pharo shower system is leaking. And I'm going to show you how to replace the valve. Pretty simple process once you know the basic things you need. So to replace it, we need a few simple things. Here's a new valve that you can buy from online, and here's the part number. All right, with the new valve, you also need a 4mm Allen key, and then a wrench or a channel lock plier. So to replace it, first you got to turn off the main water. Make sure there's no water coming out. Okay, and then inside, behind the handle, there's a little hole here. That's where you put the Allen key in there to release the locking nut to take off the handle. All right, so here's the Allen key. Insert it in. And if there's a little rubber seal there, just have to push it in. Make sure you have the right key, push it in, and then you can retrieve it later once you take off the handle. Okay. All right, loosen it. And now once you take it out, you can leave this locking screw in there. Now that if you got the little rubber seal, you can take that, keep that rubber seal. Okay, and then the sleeve should just pull right out. There's an O-ring there somewhere. Once you pull it out, and here's the valve assembly, and there's a housing that holds the valve into the from the inside pipes. So you need a wrench to untie this and screw this out. So I'm going to use this. I already pre-release it, so you just have to unlock it and then hand twist it out. Now sometimes it might just come right out, or sometimes the valve is attached. You just have to pull it out. Okay, that's what it looks like. And inside, do a little cleaning, but generally looks clean. So we put that aside. Here's a new one. It's exactly the same. That's a new one. Right? Make sure that there's the two stops over here on the bottom. And then we'll just put this one in. Okay, I'm going to need 2 hands for this. I'm going to put the phone down.